There's nowhere to hide. It tells you everything that you want to see. 2018, we started Mills Street Fitout. Mills Street comes from the first street that my wife and I lived on. So there's a bit of a family attachment there to the name, which is super important. I think we sit in a position in the market in Tasmania that we stand alone. There's nobody that markets themselves and actually is purely shop fitting. Yeah, and that's what we are. 2.5 years ago, we started Mills Street Joinery, and that was on the back of just necessity. Tasmania, a little bit different to the mainland as far as supply. Really hard to maintain the level of quality that we expected and what we sell without having control over that space. Pretty much any software that we could get our hands on, generally residential or construction focused, which you've always got to find a workaround. We simply outgrew softwares and we need a system that supports us in every aspect of the project, from initial lead generation through to the tender, document management, and then project management.
And Nexvia just makes it so much easier. The thing I like about it is that everything is generally 2 to 3 clicks away, and you can find everything very quickly. Easy to navigate. For me, in the project management side of it, it's the budget section. I love the budget section. I just love being able to go in and see where the job is sitting right at that precise moment. If something's going to overrun, I can forecast. I can then see what effect that's having. It's just instant, but it just gives you that flexibility that you can look at it and you can go, and decide. It helps you decide what path you're going to take if you know what the effect is going to be on your budget.
The fact that it was built by shop fitters, for shop fitters, was a driving factor. We've been with them for over 3 years now, and it's just been pivotal in centralising what was quite a messy process. It is now all in the one spot. The information that we can extract out of Nexvia that I've never had access to previously is second to none. It allows me to run. I've got remote offices in Hobart and also in Adelaide, but regardless of where I am, I can be in New South Wales or overseas, and I can log in and I've got all the information at my fingertips. There's nowhere to hide. It tells you everything that you want to see. So we can create processes for our team that they know are not only easy to follow, but are also easy to check up on. The flexibility and how easy it is to customize, it just grows with you. So you start with as many features as your business needs, and then as your business grows, Nexvia grows.